This video will demonstrate how to utilize standard evaluations to save time and improve data consistency. A standard evaluation, or SE, is a standardized rating to be performed. The user creates a file that saves the header description for an assessment. There are three main components of an SE: selected assessment columns, header rows, and study rules. One or more assessment columns can be included in the SE, depending on what is logical to bundle together. ARM allows the user to pick and choose which rows from the assessment header to include. Select the components that are the same every time the assessment is performed. Any study rules that are linked to the assessment can be included in the SE file. This is a very powerful tool for protocol writing to apply requirements to specific assessments. In the Protocol Description Editor, open the SE Definitions tab. Click the drop-down arrow in the SE name field to display the master list of SEs available in ARM. The SEs in this master list are included in the standard installation and available to all ARM users. The SE description tells you what the SE is used for. The preview section shows the contents of the SE. When a multi-column SE is selected, all columns are shown in the preview. Search for SEs using the filter fields at the bottom of each column. Utilize keywords to find SEs that will work for your assessments. For example, enter count in the rating type filter, then larva in the part rated filter to further narrow your search. After finding an SE to use, add it to your favorites list by clicking the star icon to the left of the SE name or by clicking the Add to Favorites button. This allows you to quickly find frequently used SEs in the future without having to search the entire list again. Add the selected SE to the SE Definitions tab by clicking OK. Select multiple SEs by holding down the Control button. Adding SEs to the SE Definitions tab make them available to use in the Assessment Data Editor. This helps the protocol writer communicate which SEs should be used and helps the trialist describe data consistently. To create assessment columns from the SEs defined here, use the Build Headers button on the Properties panel. If the Assessment Data Editor is completely blank, ARM automatically creates the assessment columns. If assessment information has already been entered, ARM will ask if you want to replace, update, or cancel. Select Replace to remove all existing assessment headers, and then add the headers from the SE Definitions tab. Select Update to keep all assessment headers, Update any previously built with the SE Definitions tab, and add additional columns as necessary. Select Cancel to make no changes to assessment headers. Use the Rating Timing field to specify when the assessment will occur. If the assessment will occur multiple times, enter a range, for example, A1 through A3. ARM will create and label data columns for each timing. For example, a 2-column SE defined for rating timings A1 through A3 will result in 6 data columns: 2 columns for A1, 2 columns for A2, and 2 columns for A3. The SEs from the master list can be modified to fit your study if needed. Check out our Creating SEs video to learn more about modifying existing SEs or creating your own custom SEs.